everyone and welcome to my beauty channel. I'm Cristina Costache, a makeup artist and content creator based in UK, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I do my manicure at home using the Manucurist Green Flush Lead Nail Polish. I'll also be sharing my honest opinion about all of their products that I have, so let's get started. First, let's talk a little bit about Manicurist and my experience with them. Manicurist is a French brand specializing in gel polishes that are healthy and clean, and I discovered them for the first time in April. Actually, I discovered their Green Flush Lead Nail Polish with the set that they sent me for the first time in a peer package. So I use Manicurist products since then. I'm so grateful for it, even though I had heard about this brand before. Hey Weedy! Hello! I had heard about this brand before, but I had never tried their products, and I was so curious, especially because the brand says that these lead nail polishes are a gel alternative, are up to 90% plant-based and are HEMA-free. They also have a shade range of 50 colors to choose from, they dry instantly and have up to 10 days of long wear. And you know what guys, I really wanted to take a break from getting my gel manicure every month at the salon for almost 3-4 years. It might sound crazy, but you know what, I didn't realize how much it was hurting my nails, and I always wanted my nails to look nice, especially since they are always on camera in my videos. So since I started using lead nail polish from Manicurist in April, I'm really happy that I made that choice, because when I stopped getting gel manicures, my nails stopped being filed down so much and I could see how damaged they were. They are so weak, delicate, and they still are a bit because they haven't grown out completely yet. But since I took that break, my nails don't feel as sensitive anymore. They are stronger and healthier. And what I also like about this Green Flush range is that you can buy the full set containing everything you need to do your manicure at home. I opened this with you for the first time in a video. The video is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out here. But I'll show you very quickly what kind of products are in this set. A LED lamp, which is so nice. It also have a charger. Here I have 4 products from the range Green Flush. First one is the base coat, 2 colors which are red cherry and old rose. I chose these colors because I was thinking they are so classic, they always look good, and the top coat of course. Here I have the lead nail polish remover, which is acetone free, and some clips, which are 5. They are so easy to use. All you need is a little bit of free time and a tutorial like this where I will show you step by step how to apply them. Alright, I always start with prepping my nails. The first step is to remove any old nail polish. As you can see in this video, I wear a regular polish. Actually, this one is also from Manicurist, from their active range, but I'll talk about their nail treatments later in this video. For removing the nail treatment, I'm using the Manicurist Green Flush Remover, which is acetone free and really gentle on the nails. Next, I will shape my nails using a nail file. I like to go for a rounded shape, but you can choose whatever shape suits you best. Ice cream! Ice cream! Who wants ice cream? Now let's move on to the fun part, applying the polish. First, I start with the base coat. This is essential as it protects your nails and helps the color adhere better. When it comes to the base coat and the top coat, they are easier to apply than the color. As you can see, I apply a thin layer of the base coat and then cure it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes. The LED lamp that comes with the set is super easy to use, but one thing that I want to mention is that you have to dry every layer, no matter if it's the top, the color or the base, using only the top button. This lamp actually has buttons for base, color and top with different times. I think for the base is 1 minute, for the color 1 minute, and for the top 2 minutes. Which I believe they didn't set it correctly because each step needs more than 1 minute, so I always dry every coat, whether it's the base coat, the first layer of color, the second layer or the top coat, for 2 minutes, because I've noticed that 1 minute isn't enough to dry. I always do for fingers first and I leave the thumb for last to ensure it dries correctly. Next, it's time for color. As you can see here, I've applied the shade Old Rose. It's such a nice and classic color. However, you can choose any color you want because they have a shade range of over 50 colors. They also recently launched their Sunset Kiss collection, which includes beautiful summery colors like this yellow I'm wearing today, but I'll tell you more about this new collection later in this video. Now let me show you how I applied this rose color. Here's the fun part guys, because the brand suggests applying it in a thin layer, but you know what, I found that it works better when I take a larger amount from the tube, because this way you can apply it evenly. But be be careful, don't take too much, this amount is enough. After applying the first coat, cure it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes. Repeat this step for a second coat to achieve a more opaque finish. In fact, you can apply it in 3 layers if you want it to be more resistant and strengthen the nail. But remember to cure each layer under the lamp for 2 minutes. Finally, we will seal everything with the top coat, and as you can see, I applied this much. The top coat gives your nails a beautiful shine and extends the wear of your manicure. Cure it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes and you are done. And here are the finished nails. I absolutely love this color and the shine. It looks like a professional manicure but done at home. By the way guys, these LED nail polish are so easy to remove after 10 days or whenever you just want to change your color. Just soak a half of cotton pad, place it over your nails, use these clips and leave it for 1-2 minutes. As you can see, they come off very quickly without harming your nails. I have to say that I'm really impressed with Manicurist products. The application process is really simple. Once you learn how to do it, the LED lamp is so efficient and the final result is stunning. Plus, knowing that it's made with natural ingredients makes me feel good about using it. Now I want to show you very quickly the products from the Active range and Sunset Kiss collection. I'm going to talk about first about the Sunset Kiss collection because actually here I have some gel polishes from the same range, Green Flash LED nail polishes. They look like this. Here I have 5 colors that are so beautiful. All these colors captures the colors of the sky. Today I'm wearing on my nails this beautiful yellow, which is shimmery lemonade. This is already the 8th day since I wear it and it still looks good. I immediately fell in love with this color, especially that I'm wearing on my nails, this beautiful shimmery yellow, but all these colors are so nice, I can't wait to wear them. I'll put a video for you here to see how each color looks. Here I also have a sparkle and a brush, if I want to be creative and play with the color and with the sparkle. The brush looks like this and the sparkle like this. And I'm so glad that now I have new colors to play with. They are so beautiful, especially this yellow. And here I've applied it in 3 layers for a more opaque finish. I love it. And finally, let's talk very quickly about these treatments. Oh my god, another product that I love. These treatments, guys, don't need the top and the finish, and they are so easy to apply like a regular polish. They have makeup inspiring effects, and I'll tell you quickly some information about them. So Active range is an all-in-one nail care range imagined by our experts in Paris, specifically formulated to offer the most desired nail effects while strengthening, hydrating and protecting natural nails. They are up to 85% plant-based. Our formulas are concentrated in active ingredients, AHAs, vitamins and botanical extracts. The perfect treatment for your nails. Yes, like I said, this all-in-one range requires no base or top coat and air dries for ultra easy application. For every skin tone, your nails but better. And as you see, here you have every treatment and some information about them. First one is Active Glow Raspberry, the Peachy Pink Gloss, a chic jelly pink treatment polish enriched with raspberry extracts and sweet almond oil to boost nails' natural radiance. The next is Active Glow Blueberry, a cool rose colored polish enriched with blueberry extract and sweet almond oil to boost nails' natural radiance. The next one is Active Shine, a pearless gem nail treatment enriched with beet extracts, high in antioxidants to give your nails a real radiant boost. Here we have Active Smooth or the CC Polish, a castor fiber rich perfector that instantly smooths and erases nail imperfections. And the last one is Active Bright or the Brightener, a brightener concentrated in lemon extracts that strengthen from within to revive the nail whiteness. I already used them all, guys, so many times, and I can say that my favorite is this one, Active Shine, that has very small particles in it, shimmery particles. This one as well, which is Active Smooth. It has a very nice color and it makes my nails very strong, strengthen them. And this one also. Actually, I love them all, but I can say that my favorites are this one and this one. And like I told you before, as I took a break from the gel, my nails were so sensitive, so delicate, and these treatments, guys, helped me so much. Some days I can wear only this gel nail polish and some days I can wear only the treatment. Actually, I feel my nails, and if they need the hydration or the strengthening effect, I can use only a treatment. I really love them, they are so good and last quite well on the nail. I think I can wear them for 5 days, which is so good as it is a regular polish. I highly recommend it to you guys. And as a final thought, guys, I can say that I really love all these products that I showed you today from Manicurist. Now it's up to you to choose the right products for you. I'll leave you all the products that I mentioned today in the description below, and I'm happy to tell you guys that I also have a discount for you. So if you are in UK or in US, you can use the code PROCHRISTINA for 15% off. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, I'm so curious if you tried any of these products. Let me know about your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You also can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!